My name is Charles Tran with the Novice Builder.
Today, I'm going to show you how to install a Moen Prep Series 1/2 horsepower garbage disposal model GXP50c PRO step by step. But first, let me show you how much I saved by installing this garbage disposal myself instead of hiring a contractor. A contractor quoted me $650. That's $250 for materials and $400 for labor. But doing it myself only cost me $122. Here's how. I bought the Moen Prep Series 1/2 horsepower garbage disposal from Home Depot for $99 and Plumber's putty from Amazon for $23. Everything else I used were tools I already had at home. No labor cost, just a few hours of my time, and I saved $528. Just a quick note, I'm not a pro. This was actually my first time installing a garbage disposal. I followed the product manual, did some research, and watched YouTube tutorials. If you're thinking of doing it too, make sure to check the manual that comes with your specific brand. Each one can be a little different. And if I did something wrong or you have tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to learn from you. Before starting, safety first. Wear your protective gear, check your tools, and clear the workspace. Before we begin the installation, let's take a look at the tools and materials we'll be using. First, we have a claw hammer, essential for driving nails and light demolition tasks. Next is a flathead screwdriver, used for screws with a single slot head. Here we have a measuring tape, 25 feet long, for accurate measurements during installation. Adjustable wrench, ideal for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts of various sizes. Phillips screwdriver, used for crosshead screws. Beside it is an LED work light, perfect for illuminating your workspace, especially in low light areas. Here are tongue and groove pliers, commonly known as channel locks, used for gripping and turning pipes or fittings. And finally, we have a plumber's putty, used to create watertight seals around faucets and drains. You can also refer to the manual to ensure all the steps are correct.
Okay, so again, this was going to be like this when it's installed. So take this apart. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece out. So this means then you're going to have to pry open this. Take this piece out and then slide that out. And remember, it's going to fit this way. This one is going to lock in. In the beginning, these are tightened here, right? You have to untighten these. All three of this, right? You got to untighten this out. I did it earlier, so I untied it, took this out. Then take this and put it right on top of the sink. And it goes to the sink and the floor. I'll show you in a minute. This here will be right underneath. So this will be catching this. This is probably like a gasket there. Okay, so now that you know, you're going to go ahead and start putting this on top. I'll show you how to do it here. You see, that fits right down there. You see like that? There you go. Before you do anything, you want to clean this up a little bit. Make sure this area here is, make sure it's nice and clean. Before I put this on top of the sink, right? You're gonna use the plumber's putty. Okay, you need a putty. So this is how you're gonna spread it. You're gonna put it around here like this. You're gonna put it all around here like this. Put it around here like this. Okay, and kind of spread them out where it's kind of attached itself to the sink ring. Okay. Okay. So after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this right into the sink right here. See, you can push it down like this. There you go. And don't worry about this. You can scrape this off after we're done. Okay, you can scrape this off here. Get these little putty out of the way. And now it's time to start. We're going to start putting this together, okay? Gasket goes in first. This comes in. Then this comes in. This little ring goes right underneath here and snap on. There it is. Now it's not going to fall at all. Now then you're going to tighten this once you put the garbage disposal. That's what we're going to do. All right. Right here. Okay, you're going to tighten these up here. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is connect the garbage disposer into there. Here. There it is. Yeah. And then you can use a plier and you tighten it up like this. There. You see that snap? It snaps right in there on all sides. But all the groove is snapped in that way. And now what you can do from here is put this here, and this is where you're going to put your P-trap, and your drain will go out. This here would be covering, you have to cover this. If you don't have a dishwasher right now, you have to cover this something, or else the water will splatter out. Water channels through there. And this locks in there like this. These are the screws you'll be needing to put them in. There it is. That's where your water is going to go out. Pour it down. That's it. And so water will go into there. Well, my next video is I'm going to show you how to do a P-trap to go out to the drain out right there. That's where the sink goes out to the sewage line. That's it. One more thing. Once you're all done, make sure you put back this little thing here, okay?
And that's it. Your garbage disposal is installed and ready to roll. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop any questions in the comments below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.